Okay, 안녕하세요, Sheena ma'am. Okay, so si Sheena na pa sa school. Okay, Sheena Ajik Hakyo Isuyo. Okay, so since hapon pa siya, muli. Afternoon time. Okay, so Sheena have 10 kilograms of rice and then 2 box of choco pie for her, and also 1,000 pesos for her. Yeah, please take a video na lang. Tingog mauli siya. Okay. Dongjunim.
Dongjunin, kamsahamnida for Sheena.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Merlinda.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so since Clea na is still in Ajik Hakyo is yun. Okay, so since hapon pa siya, night afternoon time. Okay. So she have 10 kilogram of rice and then choco pie 2. 2 box from Dongjunim, and also 1,000 pesos for her, and please take a video na lang, sir, ha?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Dongjunim, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Clea.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.